Hello everyone, in this video we will show you how to use Meta AI in Facebook. So, let's dive right in. Before we jump in, let's quickly understand what Meta AI is. Meta AI is a suite of artificial intelligence tools developed by Meta, the parent company of Facebook. It's currently in limited testing, but it offers some pretty cool features. Head to the familiar search bar at the top of your Facebook page. This is where you usually type in keywords to find people, posts, groups, and events. But keep an eye out for something new. As you type, you might see a pop-up suggestion that says, "Ask Meta AI anything." This is your cue to switch to the AI-powered search. Simply type anything, and this will redirect you into the Meta AI chat. And here you can utilize Meta AI for your questions. Here are some things you can do. Ask questions. Just like a regular chat assistant, you can ask Meta AI anything from general knowledge to fun facts, and Meta AI will provide you with a bunch of information about your question. Recommendations. If you are stuck on what movie to watch or where to eat. You can ask Meta AI for suggestions based on your interests, and Meta AI will blow you your mind by suggesting the best recommendations for your interest. Generate images. This is a cool feature. Use the prompt, "Imagine," followed by your description, and Meta AI will create an image based on your words. Meta AI has a deep understanding to judge to your prompt and design images according to your imagination. So that's it. Now you know how to use Meta AI in Facebook. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. And let us know in the comments below what you think about Meta AI.